and there's a string kind of thing. You remove it. Why is it like that? Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all a cumulative haul, and I did this in the month of July and in the initial part of August. I did this haul from various sites, and I think this is the first time I'm sharing a haul with you all guys. I really hope you enjoy this, and if you're new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, before that, let me tell you my eye makeup is a bit over dramatic today because I'm shooting this video on the occasion of Independence Day, and I thought why not to play with the colors of our tricolor, and so I did this, and I really hope you like this makeup look also. So now that was a pretty long intro, and now let's get started. Okay, so first I would be sharing with you all my Amazon haul. And the first is a skincare product. This is the Dot & Key AHA BHA peeling solution, and this retails for 1095, and I got it on a discount. I got it for 1040 rupees. Actually, what I do, I keep lots of products in my cart or in various shopping sites, be it Amazon or Myntra or Nykaa, and I keep out looking for them every day. And once I see that they are available at a good discount, I buy them. So this is not that much of a discount, but nevertheless, definitely a discount is always welcome. Who doesn't like it? So this is the packaging it looks like, and you all guys must have seen how the product looks like because every other beauty blogger is raving about it. And this is how the bottle looks like. So pretty. I really like this beautiful purple color. I am a beginner with the peeling solution. I just use the Face Shop one peeling scrub or something like that. It's a mild peel, and I haven't used acid as such on my face till now, but I would be using it soon, and I would be sharing with you all my experience. Let me tell you, I'm not a skincare expert, so I wouldn't be lying or exaggerating anything. I would be using it for some time, and then only I'll be sharing with you all how it works for me. Next Amazon purchase is a brow kit. This is the LA Girl brow kit in the shade dark, and let me open it for you. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can see. So sorry. So here we have two colors. These are the brow powders. One is in light brown, not light brown, very grayish brown color, and one is a dark brown. This one I'm gonna use in the inner part of my brows, and this one in the outer part to create that ombre effect. And this one is the brow wax, I guess. I hope I can create those so brows look with it. And also it is for setting the brow here. And this is the highlighter for highlighting the brow bone. Also, I really like it that they have provided a tweezer and a spoolie with a liner brush, I guess. Eyeliner brush. Probably. Yeah. Whatsoever. Also, they are provided a mirror. The mirror won't be of much use for me. It's not a magnifying mirror. Or probably it would be for a use. Let me see. I'll check it out. But nevertheless, it is adding to the aesthetic effect, and it looks so beautiful. So once I try it out, I would be sharing with you all how I like it. As I told you earlier, I won't be using any of the products today because then it would be beyond the scope of this video. The next shopping site from where I shopped is Bodice Beauty. I shopped from it for the first time, and they were offering some amazing discounts on the Body Shop products. I use my shower gels from Body Shop, and it is a bit expensive brand, and for the Body Shop also I keep on looking for discounts. Okay, so this is the shower gel that I got from Bodice.com, and they were pretty good with the delivery, and they were pretty really nice catalog. They have good products, and also they have got Anastasia Beverly Hills right now with them, and I'm really looking forward to shopping with them all the more. So this is the Body Shop strawberry shower gel. I got it for some 20% discount, I guess. It retails for 345 rupees, and I got it for how much rupees? Let me check out. Okay, I will be mentioning how somewhere here how much it retails for. The next product that I got is the Body Shop Almond Milk and Honey Soap. Okay, I have its shower cream. It smells heavenly, guys. It smells so good. I feel like eating up my shower cream. I can smell it from beyond the package. So this is how it looks like, and it retails for 295 rupees. Again, I got it for a discount. I think the discount was 20%, and that was pretty cool. Okay, so next up is a Sugar haul. Okay, now Sugar's packaging looks somewhat like this, and also I ordered the products, and the products were packed in this kind of cute pouches. They're really cute. I mean, you can use them for other purposes also, for storing something or carrying something, and they are quite, I mean, the material is quite thick. It has this bubble wrap packaging inside it, and I think the products, whatever you store it, they're going to remain quite secure inside them. Okay, so the first product that I ordered from Sugar is a foundation. Basically, I ordered two foundations. This one is the Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation, and the shade is 42 Glaze. It was a bit lighter for my skin tone. I used it once or twice, and one thing I wanted to tell you guys, I hope you can see this thing. This watery substance that has got separated. I don't know why. Once I keep it upright, this whatever spirit or oil or whatever thing that is put inside, that has been used to stabilize or mix the foundation or whatsoever ingredient it is, it's separate from the rest of the pigment. I do not know why, but nevertheless, once you mix it up, it disappears. I personally do not have any issue with that, but I wanted to share it with you all guys. So it comes with this dropper kind of thing. I'm not a very big fan of the dropper, and it dispenses very less amount of the product, but it is good. That would lead to a very less product wastage. But this is quite weird, that liquid, I mean watery substance separating from the pigment. God knows why. Any which way, I ordered along with this foundation, I ordered a bronzer, and this is where's my bronzer? And this is the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer, and the shade is 02 Woody Wonder. I think I used in one or two of my videos previously. You can see this. This is how the bronzer looks. Appreciate the pigment, but when I use it on the face, it looks quite good. Anyway, today I'm wearing that bronzer, and it doesn't look that bad. It pretty much does its job nicely. So, and with it I got a sheet mask free of cost, and I'm not a big fan of sheet masks, so I'm not showing you all. So the foundation retails for 900 rupees at Nykaa and Myntra and Amazon, but I got it for 450 rupees, which was quite a good deal. and the bronzer retails for probably 399 if I'm not wrong, or 299 something. Yeah, it retails for 399 rupees. I again got a foundation from Sugar since I got the lighter shade, and since I was getting a good deal of 50% discount, so I got a new foundation, and this is the shade Cortado. This one is pretty much my shade, and I ordered a contour stick. So this one is also from Sugar. This is the Sugar Face Forward Contour Stick, and this is in the shade, C02. This is the Espresso Edge C02, and it looks somewhat like this. It looks so beautiful, it's nice and cute. I really like it. Let me swatch it for you guys. I really wanted to. Oh, it is pigmented, guys. Wow. Let me try blending it. Wow, it's so creamy. Did you see it? Oh my god, I really liked it. Another free product that I got is the Sugar Metal Matte Lipstick. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the packaging. See, it looks so luxurious, so beautiful. The packaging somewhat opens like this. Wow. Oh my god. I really love products with good packaging. I mean, I have a soft corner for them. And that's why I really love packed products. They're so beautifully packed. As the name goes, pack. Pun intended. Product looks somewhat like this. After removing the plastic packaging, it looks somewhat like this, and you remove it, and this is the shade. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. I love it. I really like it. The shade is, it's not mentioned. I think it's 10 Diana. Oh my god. Oh my god. It glides like butter when I swatched. I'm going to use it next time in the next video. Sugar haul is done. Let's go to Myntra. And the first thing that I got is a highlighter. Now let me tell you the story behind it. So this is the highlighter. That is the Ofra Mini highlighter in the shade Blissful. And when I got the product, it was broken. The outer packaging was completely intact. Even not a single, not a single bit of glitter was out in the packaging. Normally what happens, I received many a times products from Myntra, be it mainly the eyeshadow palettes, and I received broken product, okay, but most of the time I really let it go, but this time it was hyped. See how the product was broken, as you can see. This was the condition in which I received it, and I filed a complaint with the Myntra customer care, but they did not resolve the issue, and finally I had to retort to post it on their social media site, and they did respond after that. I got a refund for this, but the refund is not important. Why would they give you broken products? I mean, it is I don't know how to make use of it, although the product is there, but it is so precarious right now. Every time I open it, why is it like that? Oh. Next was again a highlighter, and this is the Ofra Mini highlighter in the shade Pillow Talk. Now, okay, let's talk about the previous highlighter once more. This retails for basically 1500 rupees, but I got it for 1350 after this discount code of self-care. I got a 10% discount, but nevertheless the money was refunded back to me. This retails for 1500, and then there was this coupon, there was this item discount of 225 rupees, like 15% discount, And then I got again a coupon discount, so finally I had to pay 1147 rupees for the product, and this also came broken. But somehow I tried to fix it. I guess you can see. It's such a blinding highlighter when the camera could not capture it properly. Anyway, it's such a beautiful shade. So beautiful. I always wanted to own Ofra highlighters. People say it's not shine bright like a diamond, it's shine bright like an Ofra highlighter, but it came broken and my heart got broken. Next up, the next product that I got from Myntra is a foundation again. I got 2 foundations again, 3 foundations. This is the Kiko Milano Full Coverage 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. I got it for discount. This product retails for 2300 rupees and I got it for 1449. That is 1449 rupees. My shade is neutral 16, N60. Actually, I was looking for the WB60, that is the warm beige 660. I got to know about my shade from foundation.com. Usually, I refer to foundation.com for my shades, but then I did again my research and all such things. WB60 was out of stock both in Nykaa and in Myntra, but the neutral 60 was present there in Myntra, so I got it. After opening, there's this beautiful spatula. It's quite sturdy. There's doe foot applicator, so you end up using very less amount of product. And there's 25 ml of product, and I'm going to use it in my next videos, future videos. I'm gonna tell how it. Okay, so the last product that I got from Myntra is a setting spray. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus natural setting spray. It's a pretty good, decent setting spray, and I had finished almost all my setting spray and I was left with only one of them, so I thought of purchasing it. So the Myntra haul is now over, and let's move on to the Nykaa haul. And the first product that I got is this. It looks so pretty. This is the Flower Beauty Supernova Celestial Skin Elixir. Oh my god. Let's again appreciate the beauty of this bottle and the content of it. When you open it, this is how the product looks. It looks so beautiful, so Instagrammy, but it's not meant for Instagram, I guess. So when you open it, when you pour it, you get this very mild lavender color thing. And it has some glitter particles, but when you mix it, the glitter particles just dissolves and it disappears, and you are not left with any chunky glitter, but a beautiful glow and shine. And also the product that you need is very less amount. You could see how much of the product I took, and can you see this glow? I like it. And it has that very faint that cinnamon kind of smell, probably very very woody, spicy kind of smell. Okay, it retails for 1200 rupees. I paid 1200, but then I got a lipstick free with it, which I'm wearing it right now. This is the Flower Beauty lipstick in the shade Cinnamon Crush. I was talking about cinnamon, I guess. And I think I would be swatching it because you can see how it looks on my lips. It looks pretty nice. It's a very nude shade with pinkish brown undertones, and it flaunts my skin tone very well. It doesn't tone it down, it doesn't wash it up. But I was talking about this product. I'm really happy that I got it, and I can't wait to use it and tell you guys about it, how it fared for me. But I really got nice reviews about this product. Okay, next up is the brush set. This is from PAC. Now again, I told you that PAC products have the most beautiful packaging. This is the pouch, and then we have this cardboard. This is the I series brush set basically, and I am a fan. I'm a huge fan of eye brushes. I'm so happy I got it. Okay, so we get 8 brushes. The quality of the brushes, everybody knows that PAC brushes have really good quality, and I would be using, I can't wait to use them, and I'll be doing an eyeshadow tutorial with exclusively this PAC brushes, and I hope, let's see how it turns out. I hope I really have a lot of fun using these brushes. So the next thing that I got are these nail polishes. Look at them. This is the Color Bar nail polish. Color Bar has some really good shades of nail paints. I would like to have many of them, but I got these shades. They looked kind of pastel kind of shades when on the app, but they look quite different. But nevertheless, I really like them. And the other one is from Lotus, which I'm going to use on my toes, because dark nail polishes complement my feet color. The next product that I got are lipsticks. Okay, and this is what I got from the Nykaa Luxe store. I got those Bobbi Brown lipstick duo. I got 2 lipsticks, and probably you guys know that they retail for 2000 rupees, and the shade that I got are Parisian Red and Hibiscus. They come wrapped in a black paper, and on opening you get this very pretty babies. The color is so good. Yeah, they're quite expensive, and I'm not gonna swatch it. Sorry you guys, but yeah, I hope you understand. I've got another lipstick. This is a gloss, basically matte. This is a liquid lipstick basically. This is the PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade Flirtini. Oh my god, this is so good. Guys, go for the PAC Retro Matte Gloss liquid lipsticks. These are the, I think they retail for 550 rupees, and this is the outer packaging, and when you remove it, this is how it looks on swatching. See this. The color is so pretty, so pretty. I really love it, and I plan on buying more of this PAC Retro Matte Gloss lipstick. The last product in this haul is another skincare product. It's the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel, and I have been using this for 2 years right now. And when I feel that I'm on the verge of finishing one of these jars, then I buy it. It retails for 950 rupees. I got it for a huge discount. I got it for 760 rupees. So with this, I come to the end of this haul. I would be linking down every product that I purchased below in the description box. I really hope you enjoy watching this video, and I will be back again with a brand new makeup tutorial. If you like them, please do give me a big thumbs up. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and bye bye.